these are the two dozers, one spare, one primary for the Nevada Discovery Museum. The display all white primed as requested for S2 to do their texture on. This is the height of the table, which hopefully you can read this. We're about 30 inches off the top of the table, and then we have the molding in front of it, which can be removed if necessary. Total height of the structure is, so this is where the ceiling is, rotate it this way, about 82 inches. And we got the total width of the inside unit. So going from here on across, we're about 68.5 inches inside. Okay, and then we have the total depth of the unit, which less the molding here. Going on back, we should be right at 4 feet. Yes. Okay, this is the ROV display for the Nevada Discovery Museum. This is the table and the ROV inside of it, and the dirt down in the bottom corner. You see there is the trap door where the dirt will be returned, and that's the entry door where the kids have to put the dirt. Down here is the joysticks on a temporary table, and this gray box is the control box, which we mounted underneath the table. And we've got about 15 feet plus or minus sticking out, so we can run that to wherever the table is outside the display. On the back of the display are all the controls. We've got the power supply, our air solenoids that actuate the trap door right here, and air that just basically shoots air jets down the trough to free up the media. Down below is a small portable compressor that will turn on and off as needed, and an auger that will run whenever the robot's running to move the media down the trough. Okay, the ROV is hooked up, is tethered. The tether is on a coil, and it's also hooked up to a rotary union so that you can spin the robot around indefinitely and not tangle up the wires. The control panel, basically as soon as it's activated by pushing any of the levers, the robot will energize and the auger will start spinning to push the media down. Okay, and so we'll start driving it around some. Okay, yep, running. Alright, as Paul's scooping up the media here, the way the timers are all worked throughout this thing is periodically the air will blast to push the media down the trough, and also periodically the trap door will open up to dump the media. If it's inactive for a matter of about a minute, the robot and the auger will shut down, and about 3 minutes later the trap door will open up and dump the media out. The media is fed in through the trap door, and it will work its way down in the back. We'll go around there and show you that in a little bit. Take a couple scoops. Okay, there goes the air, just pulsing the media down the trough in the back. see if you use the wall to push the media, you can get a pretty good scoop of bucketful. Hoping to get a trap door opening. It did open? Oh, I missed it. Oh, okay. Alright, so I missed the trap door opening up. So we'll go into the back so you can see how the media is moving as Paul continues to scoop up the media here. Getting ready to dump a load in, looking at it from the back view. See the dump going in, goes into the auger, works its way down here to the trap door here where it accumulates. And about every 3 minutes there's a potentiometer or pot that you can turn on the control panel to adjust the settings of how often the door opens up, but it's basically between 3 minutes and 30 minutes that the door will open up, and then it'll also open up again upon inactivity, basically after the robot, it detects nobody's using the robot. It shuts that down about a minute, or it's about 3 minutes after that it'll open up the trap door too. So right now the robot is inactive, and the trap door or the auger will shut down after a certain amount of time, and then the robot will shut down at the same time, and then shortly after that the trap door will open up, let the contents come out. So now the trap door is opened up and the media is pouring out. And during the inactivity dump, the door will stay open a lot longer, just basically to let all the media trickle on out. As soon as activity is detected, the trap door will shut back down and the auger starts running again. There we go, the trap door is shut down. Everything's operational again, ready for the next payload.